Yeah, hello. Now we are taking our next question on cyclic quadrilateral. Now, okay, so let's look at this question. We are supposed to find the angle CBD and then angle CDB. Okay, so where is CBD? C, B, and D. So we are looking for this side. We are looking for this angle, 1. Now we are looking for another one, CDB. So CDB. Because we are looking for this side and this side, this angle and this angle. But can you see that this angle and this? Okay, so we can see that these two angles are the same because you're talking about C, D, and then B. So we are looking for this side too. But this angle and this angle, they are the same. Yes. Why? Because angle BC is the same as angle DC. So therefore, this triangle forms an isosceles triangle. So this angle and this angle, they are the same. They are the same. Yes. So in case if this angle is M, then this side will also be what? It will be M. Yes. Now, how are you going to find this angle? Let's take our cyclic quadrilateral. This one is a cyclic quadrilateral having the vertices A, B, C, and then D. So we can say that this angle here and the angle here, they add up to 180 degrees because they are opposite angle from cyclic quadrilateral. So the angle here and this angle add up to 180 degrees. Yes. So we can easily get this particular angle. Now after you've gotten this angle, here plus here is supposed to give us 180 degrees. So, and we are done with finding the value of this. Yes. Now, so let's move on. Let's first find the angle here. The angle here is BCD. So, angle BCD plus, okay, so plus 110. Here plus here, opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral will give us 180 degrees. So our angle BCD will now be 180 minus 110. Angle BCD will give us 70 degrees. Now, so as we are saying, let angle CDM be equal to what? Be equal to M. And we said that angle CDM is M. Then this side will also be M because angle CDM and then CBD, they are also the same. You get it? So here is M plus here is supposed to give us 180 degrees. So here is M plus this angle M plus here you've gotten this part to be 70 degrees. So in all supposed to give us 118 degrees because it's a triangle. So we have 2M will give us 180 degrees minus 70, M plus M, and then we group like this. So 2M will give us what? When we subtract, we are going to get 110. So 110 divided by 2, we divide both sides by 2. Then we have M to be what? So M will give us 55 degrees. Now since M is equal to 55 degrees, we can conclude that then angle CBD, that is CBD here, is 55 degrees. And angle CDB, of which they are the same, CDB, that is here, is also 55 degrees. So this is very simple as ABC. Let's take the next question. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's take the next question.